Right, for the video, for the demo video, we're going to use a Python script which is used to send an email to the victim via a template structure which has a subject HTML content which is in base64 encoding, and we can also have an attachment which says like invoice.pdf. So once the email script is executed, it basically sends an email to my Outlook account. So once that is in place, we just wait for the email to come in, and this is my off server Ubuntu machine which is in a VPC, and then this is now this command is used to basically listen to any kind of traffic that comes from port number 443 to 443. So we just okay, I can see like now the email is in my inbox. If I just see the inbox here and then I open the email. Once the email is open, we see it says that Amazon Web Services customer care, and then some billing issues with so and so account number and so and so. This is like so good to be true, but yeah, let's see the downloads. Let's see the attachment, and then we'll download it. I'm gonna download it to my downloads folder. I think that's downloaded now. Let's go to downloads, and then I'm gonna extract it. Okay, once the folder is extracted, okay, once the folder is extracted, we have the PDF file now. So now we open the PDF file as usual, and then we see there is an invoice PDF, and then nothing seems to be sketchy, right? But remember, we have a listener open in our OffSec server. So now you see that there is a connection that's received from the victim side. Okay, now if I do this, connection received, and then this is how basically our system is being compromised by opening a PDF file.